You definitely would want to know more about Kcse mathematics setting trends, which has changed since the year 2020. This is all about you will want to know. First, high order and challenging questions are commonly set, unlike before, where predicting questions was so easy. Due to this, the performance of mathematics in most schools have drastically gone down. And to change this, teachers and students have to work differently. In this video, I'm going to explain 3 main reasons why we have seen these setting trends, and at the end of the video, I'll give 3 top tips for teachers and 2 main tips to students on what to do in order to improve their mean grades. Make sure to stick up to the end of the video, for the tips could be of great help to you. Reason number 1, need for innovative country. Kenya has become one of the fastest growing countries in terms of technological advancements, science and innovation. To speed this, it is the government's intention to encourage high thinking skills amongst its citizens. This can only be achieved through training learners in ordinary level to enhance innovation and problem-solving skills. To achieve this, students are encouraged to read wide, revise extensively, and think deeply. This will in turn keep them on toes. They will find more ways to solve these problems, hence enhancing innovation and creativity. Reason number 2, course restriction. In the recent past, the country has seen many graduates scoring low grades in advanced level education, or maybe struggling to handle science subjects, or worst case scenario, changing courses of their choice and some dropping out of school. To avoid such cases, there was need to match the content in the ordinary level with that of advanced level. This doesn't necessarily mean to change the syllabus in the ordinary level. It can simply be achieved by setting high order questions so that the country can truly have engineers and doctors who deserve it. Most courses have mathematics as a requirement, especially science and engineering related ones. Reason number 3, to reduce exam cheating. By now, you must have noticed that Kcse mathematics needs a relaxed mind and time to solve problems. The questions don't need rushing. If you rush, you get it wrong. We have seen students writing wrong similar answers before. Most of these wrong answers are done in the morning of examination day. If you don't take time thinking about questions, you definitely will get it wrong. This is one of the ways to reduce cheating, and it has worked perfectly for mathematics and some of the science subjects like chemistry. After all, if students prepare well for the exam, they will perform well. Just as we promised at the beginning of this video, here are our top 3 tips for teachers of mathematics. Number 1, let students revise widely by challenging them with hard questions. Yes, hard questions can discourage students, but if served well at the right time, this could work as well. Before the main exam, teachers can administer hard and challenging practice exam, which will push students to work extra harder to be able to solve them. Number 2, teach students to apply mathematics in real-life situations and not for exams only. Mathematics exam setting has changed in a way that questions require real-life applications. For instance, use of locus of a point in interior design, use of matrices in arranging objects, and transformation in architectural, just to mention a few. Number 3, change students' attitude by finding simpler ways of handling hard questions. As a teacher, there must be simpler ways of working out problems. This can be actualized through research and consultations from other colleagues. Attending mathematics workshops could also be of great help to any teacher of mathematics. And what if you are a student? Number 1, prepare early to avoid rush hours. Mathematics needs proper preparation. This can be done through revising extensively using course books, recommended revision books, and consultations from teachers. If you don't prepare well, then you are preparing to fail well. Lastly, revise variety of questions prior to the exam. It is hard to find exact same questions in Kcse mathematics setting. Questions can only be similar. But one good thing, the concept remains to be the same. So, if a variety of questions are revised, then it is easier for a student to handle a given paper. So, hopefully this video helped you to prepare well for the exam. If you have any input, then comment on the comment section. Please remember to share this video, like and also subscribe.